This is what creates this cock joint here, which has a tendency to want to fail. Here's a transition that we ran across. The homeowner several years ago had another contractor replace the gable ends in siding. They chose to do it with the trim on first with the siding butted to it. This is what creates this cock joint here, which has a tendency to want to fail. They also used here, they used regular siding nails instead of finish nails, which leaves a lot of exposure of nail heads all over the siding. All this is just covered up with caulking. Doesn't look as good as when you install it properly with finish nails, which has a very small head on it. Here's a piece of that flashing that I was talking about that is installed over the 1x4 window trim. The water comes down, cannot get behind this 1x4 and sheds over here and drips down.